A very colorful morning to all my dear students of class 11 of all the 3 streams. Once again, I am back here with you with my English video class. And in my previous class, I have explained to you the first 2 stanzas of the poem, The Voice of the Rain. And today I will be continuing my explanation and I will complete the explanation part of the poem, The Voice of the Rain. In my last class or in my previous class, I was up till here that the rain is an eternal process and it takes different forms at different times. It arises from the land and the deep sea in the form of intangible water vapor and goes up to the sky. There it takes an indistinct shape in the form of clouds. Although it changes in its form or shape, its core matter remains the same. And today I will be explaining to you from I descend to leave the droughts, atomies, dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. And forever, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin and make pure and beautify it. For song issuing from its birthplace, after fulfillment wandering, wrecked or unwrecked, duly with love returns. I descend to leave the droughts, atomies, dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. What do these 2 lines mean? The rain comes down to wash the drought and provide water. It also washes away the dust and small particles from the earth's surface. The seeds inside the earth grow into a plant because of the water provided by the rain. It gives life to the seeds. It satisfies the thirst of the dry earth and heals everything that is degrading and is lying lifeless. So the showers remove the dust particles and make earth clean and green. The rain helps in the germination of seeds which were lying dormant due to a dry spell. Look into the textbook. And forever, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin and make pure and beautify it. What do these lines mean? The rain says that by day and night it provides life, care, enrichment, and water to the place from where it originated. The rain keeps enhancing the beauty and purity of the earth by preparing a life cycle for itself again. The rain is involved in a continuous process of giving life on earth by providing water to dormant seeds and making the earth more beautiful and full of greenery. Rain helps in enhancing the beauty of earth. In the absence of water, everything turns dull or lifeless and dust accumulates everywhere. What does the word origin mean? Origin means source. What does the word beautify mean? Make beautiful. Now students, you look into the last two lines of your textbook of the poem The Voice of the Rain. For song issuing from its birthplace, after fulfillment wandering, wrecked or unwrecked, duly with love returns. What do these last two lines of the poem mean? The rain is like a song that originates from its birthplace, just like the heart of the singer, and travels to fulfill the art's needs and wonders. It finally comes back to the place from where it originated. Whether it is ruined or not, it returns to the original position with a lot of love to its birthplace. The last two lines are the poet's own words and his reflections upon the answers given by the rain. The poet observes that the life of a rain is similar to that of a song. A song or poem is creativity at its best. It has the power to come, heal, rejuvenate, transform, and thrill. In the same way, repeated evaporation and condensation purifies the rain. The entire environment gets drenched in the rain, dust particles settle down, and there is greenery everywhere, which makes the whole art beautiful to look at. The poet therefore draws a parallel between rain and music, as both have rhythm and ability to thrill. Both of them rejuvenate and beautify life. Now, what is the meaning of the word issuing? It means originating or starting. What does the word fulfillment mean? It means completing the cycle. What is meant by the word wandering? Wandering means moving from one place to another. What does the word wrecked mean? It means cared about. What does the word unwrecked mean? It means uncared for. And what does the word duly mean? It means properly or rightly. So my dear students, I hope you understood my explanation of this poem. Well, still if you have any problem, you can clear your doubts from me, as I have told you in earlier classes also, and today also I am repeating the same thing. Don't forget to put your attendance in the comment box, and once again, if you like my explanation, if you like my way of teaching, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. In my next class, I will be dealing with the poetic devices used by the poet Walt Whitman in the poem The Voice of the Rain. Okay, and I will also give you the reference to the context questions or the extract based questions. Am I clear to you? Thank you, students. Stay safe. Bye bye.